What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the garage. Today is a big day for this Mercedes E63 AMG, the W211 chassis. We're not just doing a simple part swap, we're giving this AMG a full front-end mechanical refresh. Now, if you own one of these, you know the M156 engine is a masterpiece, but it's also heat sensitive. A failing cooling system is one of the fastest ways to kill this V8. So today we're tackling it all. Water pump, thermostat, hoses, power steering pump, radiator, expansion tank, free bearings, and the belt adjuster. And yes, we've already changed a few things, so I'll show you exactly what we're updating and why. Let's start with the heart of the system, the water pump. On the E63, the water pump is driven directly by the serpentine belt. If it starts weeping or making noise, you'll lose coolant fast. And this engine does not like overheating. Next up, the thermostat. We're replacing it with an OEM spec unit. Why? Because a stuck thermostat will cause erratic temperatures and poor fuel economy. And trust me, you don't want that. We're also swapping out all the coolant hoses, upper, lower, and bypass. Rubber degrades over time, especially with the heat these engines produce. New hoses mean no surprise burst on the highway. And of course, a fresh radiator. The old one had some clogged fins and minor leaks. A new radiator ensures maximum cooling efficiency, which is critical for the 6.2-liter V8. Now moving to the power steering. The power steering pump on these cars can develop whining noises and leaks. We're installing a new pump and flushing the system with fresh fluid. That'll give us smooth, quiet steering and protect the rack from premature wear. We're also installing a brand new expansion tank. The original plastic gets brittle over time. Cracks form, coolant levels drop, and air gets trapped in the system. A new tank ensures proper pressure and easy bleeding. Next, we're addressing the belt drive. We've got new free bearings. These are the idler pulleys and tensioner pulleys. If these seize up, they'll shred the belt and leave you stranded. And of course, a new belt adjuster, also known as the tensioner assembly. This keeps proper tension on the serpentine belt. A worn tensioner causes belt slack, squealing, and inconsistent accessory drive. Fresh adjuster plus new belt equals peace of mind. We've also changed a few other items already, but the main focus today is getting all these new parts bolted on perfectly. Once everything is installed, we'll refill with the correct Mercedes coolant, mix 50-50 with distilled water, and bleed the system properly. This refresh will keep this E63 running cool and strong for years to come. If you're planning this job on your own, take your time, use quality parts, and don't skip the small stuff. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're working on. See you in the next one.
This is Saad from cyclemotors.pk. और पंप लग गया है, थर्मोस्टेट लग गया है, फ्री बेयरिंग भी लग गया है, पावर वो वाटर पंप भी लग गया है, ये वाला हाउस का पैप भी लग गया है। देखिए अब कितनी अच्छी लग रही है आगे से, हैं पहले लकड़ पकड़ लग रही थी। ठीक है।